Warning. I'm neither financial advisor nor trained financial expert capable of providing advice of any sorts. The content on this YouTube videos is for educational purposes only and merely list of model prediction and related search results. To make the best financial decision that suits your needs, you must conduct your own research and seek the advice of a licensed financial advisor. All investments involve some risk and there is no guarantee that you will be successful in making, saving, or investing money, nor is there any guarantee that you won't experience any loss when investing. Hi. I'm just like you, not professionally trained for stock trading but use what I do for a living for the investment. I just believe my model more than my biased opinion from my untrained eyes. I'm strong believer of George Box's saying, all models are wrong but some are useful. So I trained my model and shared my prediction results from this video. I'll share the actual architecture of the present model once I release the next version. I only use S&P 500 stocks for my analysis and try to predict whether the stock will show more than 50% profit from year 1 to year 2. I don't want to take this profit as short-term gain because I'm close to my next federal tax bracket. Also, I have my day job so I just want to put a limit order once 1 year mark is passed. I'll first present the likelihood of this ticker showing more than 50% of profit between year 1 and year 2, and provide the list of past tickers and buying timing with news headlines of the day. Again, I also don't believe these are 100% accurate, so just treat this as a list of stocks to study for the week. Let's begin. According to the model, the probability of CARR show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 84.73%. Here are the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker MPWR, date from April 13, 2020 to April 13, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Monolithic Power, MPWR, designs ventilator to fight COVID-19. Ticker backs date from April 16, 2020 to April 16, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Medical product maker Baxter nearby zone, hiring employees, earnings due. Second article. Baxter, BAX, up 2.7% since last earnings report, can it continue? According to the model, the probability of PAYC show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 76.84%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker MO, date from May 1, 2020 to May 4, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. E-cig maker Juul reportedly exiting 5 European markets. Second article. Could Altria's stock drop to 8-year low of below $30? Third article. Altria, don't be surprised. Ticker STT, date from August 14, 2019 to August 15, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. State Street Corporation, STT, EVP, CNLO and Secretary Jeffrey N. Karp sold $1.3 million of shares. According to the model, the probability of Etsy show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 74.93%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker IVES, date from April 23, 2020 to April 29, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Invesco, IBZ, misses on Q1 earnings, cuts dividend by 50%. Second article. Invesco, IBZ, Q1 earnings and revenues lag estimates. Third article. Invesco, IBZ, CEO, Marty Flanagan on Q1 2020 results, earnings call transcript. Fourth article. Invesco, IBZ, surges, stock moves 7.7% higher. Fifth article. Invesco reports an earnings slide, cuts dividend. Ticker date from April 30, 2020 to May 6, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Is General Electric a long-term hold? And more #ask halftime. Second article. Warren Buffett, the slowdown in the airline industry could affect a lot of jobs. Third article. Is General Electric a buy at generational lows? Fourth article. Why shares of General Electric are falling today. Fifth article. 10 hot stocks young investors bought as coronavirus hit. Sixth article. 10 Overleveraged stocks to sell for peace of mind. According to the model, the probability of NFLX show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.35%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker BYPL date from May 2, 2019 to May 3, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Biogen's ALS treatment is exciting, but market is microscopic. According to the model, the probability of MRNA show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 70.17%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of FB show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.96%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker has date from November 21, 2019 to November 22, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Why is Hasbro, HAS, down 4.5% since last earnings report? Second article. Toys and games industry near-term prospects appear bright. Ticker date from September 11, 2019 to September 11, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. General Electric to shed controlling interest in Baker Hughes. Second article. General Electric stock, even when it's good, it's still sort of bad. Third article. GE will no longer be Baker Hughes' majority owner. Fourth article. GE to cede majority control of Baker Hughes in $2.7 billion share sale. Fifth article. General Electric to lose controlling stake in Baker Hughes. Sixth article. GE stock rises on latest move to raise C. According to the model, the probability of GPS show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.65%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker PBH date from August 29, 2019 to September 3, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. PBH Corp, PBH, beats on earnings in Q2, trims FY19 view. Second article. PBH surges, stock moves 6.3% higher. Third article. PBH Corp, PBH, Chairman and CEO Emmanuel Chirico bought $10 million of shares. Fourth article. Cohen slashes PBH price target, we need more clarity on sustainable free cash flow. Fifth article. PBH Corporation, PBH, CEO Manny Chirico on Q2 2019 results, earnings call transcript. Ticker CSX date from October 22, 2019 to October 22, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Operating efficiency puts railroad stocks back on track. Second article. Commentary. CSX offers the first trip compliance reporting. Ticker FB date from October 31, 2018 to October 31, 2018. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Inevitably, tech stocks are going to get too big, says Alan Patrick Hoff. Second article. ARK invests Cathie Wood on the tech wreck and recovery. According to the model, the probability of PYPL show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 68.02%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker FDX date from January 15, 2019 to January 22, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Amazon's push for delivery service puts more pressure on its suppliers, says analyst. Second article. Final trades, EAM, CBS, and more. According to the model, the probability of ENPH show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 67.04%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker ND date from December 27, 2018 to January 2, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Chip sector decline expected in 2019. Second article. Stocks to open lower after 2018's positive N. Ticker MU date from April 28, 2020 to April 30, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Is Micron stock's move signaling a larger recovery? Second article. Micron Technology, comparing performance to Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix. Ticker TFC date from April 21, 2020 to April 22, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 7 bank stocks that could get a lift from SBA loans. Second article. Truist in a little better shape than many of its peers. According to the model, the probability of B show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 66.62%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker FANG date from November 8, 2019 to November 11, 2019. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. 3 Merrill Lynch US 1 stocks that could rule for investors in 2020. According to the model, the probability of VFC show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 64.19%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. According to the model, the probability of KMX show more than 50% profit between next year last Friday and the year after is 63.11%. Here's the list of past trajectories similar to this. Ticker HD date from January 28, 2020 to January 29, 2020. Followings are potentially relevant headlines. First article. Home Depot stock may benefit from low expectations in 2020.